What's going on, guys? This is Mike, living with 3M. It's early. It's like 7:45. Waking up. Usually I'm third shifter, so waking up, going to get the side steps, the AMP power steps put on today. So, all right, let's get moving. All right, guys, I'm up, and I'm just gonna tell you, I'm a night shift guy, and it's getting up on my day off right before 8 a.m. That's really rough. That's rough on me. I'm gonna tell you. Oh, you see the Christmas trees? Yeah, man. Yeah, the wife has really outdone herself this year for the grandkids. We even hung pictures of Santa Claus. We got everything. So, all right, we're headed to the driveway. I'm going to give you a measurement on the factory side steps, and we'll go from there. Sorry, it's early. All right, fellas, I'm out here with the ruler, and we're gonna give it a measure real quick and tell you how far the wife has to step up that she's complained about for a while now, and I understand it because a 7-inch lift that gets to be tiresome getting in and out. So let's see how many inches the factory bars are. Okay, this is fairly level. I mean, it's not crazy level, but we're looking at 21 inches. 21 inches. So that's a long way to step up. That's almost 2 feet. I'm 6'1", so it's not an issue for me really, but it does, after a while, it will put some wear and tear on your seat of dragging across it. So we're gonna get this took care of today. Okay, we're on our way now to drop the truck off this morning. Really excited about it. At first I wasn't, when the wife and I had talked about doing a few mods more to the truck. It's like I did the Alpha Rex headlights, more Moto fog lights, cat skin leather seats, and my wife was a big advocate for getting the power steps because, especially the XL version, they drop down lower than the other power steps. So we're gonna drop the truck off with CS Motorsports in Gastonia, or Lowell, North Carolina. CS Motorsports is huge, and they do all kinds of aftermarket, from window tint, car stereo, everything. Lifts, lower your truck, whatever you need. So they don't sponsor me in any way. It's just they're really good guys, and I figured I would, add them in the video. So if you go down there, see Jason or Britt's the owner, but Jason's he really should be the co-owner. He's been there forever. So old Jason, he's my buddy. So and we also, I'm just gonna tell you guys, I have got my nephew-in-law, Kenny Dellinger. You're out there. I know you are. I know you're watching this. Has just replaced his orange Hellcat, Dodge Hellcat, with a 2022 High Country Chevrolet. I think it's Z71. Yeah, it's awesome. Straight off the showroom floor. So this thing is total badass. And they're gonna be doing a lot of mods to it. It's factory right now. It's beautiful the way it is, but it's gonna be something. It's gonna be a head turner for sure. So you guys stick around for that. Okay, enough mumbling on the camera. So we're gonna get this took care of today. They said about 4 or 5 hours and we'll be out. Let you guys know what's up. All right, fellas, I'm out here. It's after 7 p.m. took them a while to get done with the truck today. So, but it is finished. I am more than pleased with it, and I will let you guys see firsthand how everything looks. Okay, all right, you see my rock lights. I'm in a very well lit parking lot, and got some dirt on the side, I guess from one of the workers where they were installing it. You know me, I'll have to clean that up. Yeah, man. But the coolest thing is, everybody knows I love the red. When I pull on the door handle, yeah, man, they switched out the purplish white lights for red. So did some custom, and it is the XL, so it drops 3 inches lower than the regular amp power step. So if I do decide to go up another inch or two by putting on the coilovers and add a leaf, because I do plan on going with 24x14s eventually, and I'm gonna have to lift it up. So I'll give you guys a shot here. Oh yeah, looks great. For some reason on camera that looks orange right there, but it's not. It's just a reflection. That is red as all. It looks orange on the camera. So you can see it right there. It's orange. I mean, it's red. It's not orange. So, okay. And go ahead and yeah, man, I am more than pleased. So, I like the way it looks with them up too. Really stylish. All right, guys, I forgot to give you a measurement on the steps after install. So it's gonna be dark, but you guys can tell we're sitting at, you can't really see on there, but we're at 13 inches. 13 inches. Man, that is that's quite a difference. All right, 13 inches. Okay, all right, guys, so my wife's out here. This is Bridget. Bridget, say hey.
Hey.
All right, we're going to open the door and let her get in the truck.
Oh, it's so easy. Yes.
It's a lot easier.
A lot easier.
All right, so it's wife approved.
Yes, love it.
Awesome. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the video of the Amp Power Step, or it's called Amp Research Power Step XL. Say that 5 times fast. But everything's in, everything's installed. I love it. It's gonna take some getting used to. It's gonna take some getting used to, because I stepped out a while ago and it's further down. I about fell out of the truck, and that's pretty funny. So anyway, it's gonna end the video. Hope you guys like. Give you a shot right there. Hope you guys like them. Give me a hit in the comments. Let me know what you think. I'll give you some info if you want them for your truck, price and what it took to get them. But that's gonna about do it, man. All right, this is Mike living with 3M Auto Vlogging here in North Carolina. That is legend. So check out, subscribe, comment, smash the thumbs up, man. Make it go blue. Help your boy out. Later, YouTube.